That's you get.
So, okay, so back to therapy.
Hush!
What is his name? Henny?
Henny, yeah. Hennessy.
Hennessy.
You call him Henny. So you go.
Restraint therapy is probably what we need to talk about, but it only works if as much as you will do it.
Okay.
And essentially what that means is restraining the hand you're using, which for you is your left hand. So you have to, because you're getting all too clever with your left hand, which means you're not using your right. You're developing a dominance in your left hand that shouldn't be there.
Okay.
Now, the good news is you do